If you want to change volume on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then we have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, simply press volume up or down in order to adjust the media volume, and if you tap on these three dots at the top of this bar, you will open this whole volume panel. And over here, we can adjust the media volume, the ringtone volume, notification volume, system volume, and the AI assistant volume. Besides that, you can jump to settings by tapping on this setting icon over here in the top right corner of this panel, but also you can just open settings, proceed to sounds and vibration, and then over here if you go to volume you have all these sliders, so you can find 6 sliders in total for ringtone, media, notification, system, AI assistant, and the alarm. So just move left and right on these sliders, or just tap anywhere on these sliders in order to adjust the loudness for each of these things.